Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to remove malware from your PC using Malware Bytes. And the first thing we have to do is go download Malware Bytes, so let's go do that. Head to your browser and go over to www.malwarebytes.com. That's bytes, bytes.com. And once you're over there, click on free download and wait for the installer to download. Now I've already installed it in one of my other PCs, and that's the PC that I'm having problems with as it's running really slowly. So I'm going to jump over there and see if it actually finds anything. You would just install this like any other Windows application. So there you go, there's the setup. I would click save and then double click it to install. So I'm not going to do that just now because this also isn't the PC that I'm actually going to do. I'm going to move that out of the way. And this is my main PC. This is one you don't really get to see very often. And what we're going to do is we're going to run Malware Bytes. So if I click on the search icon, search for malware. That shows you how good Windows search is. Okay. The icon's installed on my desktop here, so we can double click that. As you can see, it's taking a while to open it. Okay. Previous scans had 2 pups, so I'm going to ignore that just now. I'm just going to click on scan. And then I'm just going to cancel that just now. So I'd come in here and click on scan, and then I'd click on start scan. A default scan would be enough to give you an idea if there's anything wrong. If you do pick up a lot of malware, then I would suggest you go and do a deeper scan. But for the time being, the entry level threat scan should be enough. So let's just wait for that to finish. Okay, as we can see, it says scan complete. That took around 10 minutes, I think. I'll need to double check the time. But it has found 4 problems in this system. Now, pup.optional.driverpack and pup.optional.gamehack, pup.optional.opencandy. Now, pup stands for potential unwanted program. So this is probably useless junk that installers have actually decided to place in there. So let's just see if I can get a bit more information. I'll move that across there, shrink that down here. Okay. I have no idea what that is. I have no idea what that is. I do know what Cheat Engine is. Cheat Engine is used for editing memory addresses, and that's the installer for Cheat Engine. Okay, so I was using that because I was considering, and possibly may still do, a video on hacking games, or rather hacking memory addresses of some games. So I'm going to untick these so it doesn't remove them. I'm just going to quarantine the selection. I'm just going to say always ignore the other 2 because I know that they were there specifically for it. I installed them for a reason. Okay, my scan is now complete. And as you can see, it took 11 minutes 43 seconds, so I did say about 10 minutes. It scanned roughly about 500,000 items. It found 4 and cleaned 2. And that's literally the best way to scan for potential unwanted programs or other malware on your Windows PC. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.